In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your invoice template using Zoho Invoice. This is a fantastic way to ensure your invoices reflect your brand identity and meet your specific business needs. Let's dive right into the process. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the settings menu by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner of your Zoho Invoice interface. Once you're there, look for an option labeled PDF templates and select it. This is where you can access all of your existing template options. Next, find the Invoices tab and give it a click. This tab will display all the invoice templates you currently have available. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different templates on display. Your goal is to find the one that you'd like to modify. Hover your cursor over the invoice template you wish to change. You'll notice an edit button appears. Click on it. This action will transport you to the template editor, where all the customization magic unfolds. Now, within the template editor, there are several key aspects you can modify to make the template your own. First, let's talk about template properties. Here, you can change the template's name for your organizational needs, select the appropriate paper size such as A5, A4 or letter, and choose between portrait or landscape orientation. You also have the option to adjust the margins and select a font type that best represents your brand's personality. Moving on, you have the ability to personalize specific sections, including the header, item table, total calculation area, and footer. Take your time here to ensure that each section clearly conveys the information your recipients need. You might consider adding your business logo in the header, for example, or reformatting how item details are displayed for clarity. One exciting feature to enhance the aesthetic is the background option. You can add a background image or simply change the background color to align with your brand theme or make the invoice visually striking. Now let's address the text styling. In the font section, you have the capacity to adjust the font type, color, and size. Consistent and complementary font choices help in maintaining a professional appearance and readability. After making all these changes, it's crucial to see how they look before finalizing. Therefore, use the preview button to check the appearance of your updated invoice template. This is where you can ensure everything is just the way you envision it. Finally, once you're satisfied with your customized template, don't forget to hit the save button. By doing so, you'll ensure all the changes are secured, allowing you to use the template for future invoices. There you have it, you've successfully customized your invoice template in Zoho Invoice. With these personalized touches, your invoices will truly stand out and effectively represent your brand. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been both informative and helpful. Happy customizing!